everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be doing Indian wedding guest makeup and let's get started. So before applying the makeup, make sure you have really clean face. I have already cleaned my face and I'm gonna be applying moisturizer right now. I'm currently using this one. This is a medicated one. You can take any moisturizer and choose the one which suits your skin. Better to apply moisturizer before your makeup so your skin will look healthy and also your skin will be hydrated at the same time. Now I'll be applying the primer and I am currently using this one. This is from Maybelline. This is the Baby Skin Pore Eraser Primer, and this primer you really need very less amount. Now I'm going to move on to foundation and I'll be applying this one. This is the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. I'm using this one, but you can use any foundation that you have or you love using that foundation. I'm using a foundation brush. You can use beauty blender brush or your hand also if you are comfortable. Don't go too heavy. You can always layer it down. And blend it very nicely so your skin looks like your skin. And drag your foundation towards your neck so it matches up. I have little dark circles also under my eye area, so I'm gonna be using this shade from the NYX color correcting palette. I'm going to be using my finger just to blend it a little more better. I'm gonna be doing this eye quickly. Next I'm going to be using this concealer. This is the LA Girl Pro Concealer. I'm using the same foundation brush. This concealer gets dry very quickly, so you have to be very careful while applying. concealer is almost an exact shade, so I'm gonna be using this one, Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer, just to brighten up a little bit more. Next, I'm going to be using this matte mineralized skin finish powder all over my face just to set it up. I'm using this powder brush. I always like those products which comes with their own mirror. It's actually easy to apply and at the same time travel friendly also. Now I'm going to bake my face a little bit. I'm going to be using this Johnson baby powder. Next, I will fill in my brows. I'm using this Maybelline Fashion Brow Dough Shaper Eyebrow Pencil. Now I'll be using the eyeshadow. I'll take this matte brown shade from the Maybelline Nudes palette and I'm gonna tap out the excess and will apply on the outer corner. I'm focusing on the outer corner of my eyelid and I'm blending it towards the inner corner. This eye look is very simple, make sure you blend it nicely. I'm taking this shade and will apply from here to the inner corner. I'll leave the extreme left corner. I will apply from this side to and blend it towards the inner corner. Next, I will apply this gorgeous golden shade. I'll take this in my finger only and I'll apply on the center of my lid. I'll take the same brush and then just blend it very nicely. I'll use this brown shade in my lower lash line. I'll do the exact same thing in my left eye. Both eyes are done. I'll use this shade to highlight my inner corner. Next, I'll apply the eyeliner and I'm using this Nykaa Get Winged eyeliner. I'm gonna quickly finish the left eye. I'll use this brown kajal. This is from Lakme Iconic in the lower lash line. Next I'll use this mascara. This is the Maybelline Colossal Mascara. You can apply mascara or you can add on with some fake eyelashes, but I'm not using any eyelashes today. Next I'll use this bronzer very lightly. For my brush, I'll use this peachy shade. This is from Maybelline. This is their Color Show blush. I'm using the same powder brush. For my highlighter, I am using this shade. By the way, this is the Makeup Revolution Iconic palette in shade Flush, and I have used this bronzer and I'm using this highlighter from the same palette. I'm taking this fan brush. Now I'll apply a lipstick, but I'm a little confused like which shade should I use. I think red will go with this sort of look. I think so. Let's see. I'm using this 925. Try to wear a matte shade on this sort of occasion. Or you can wear a MAC Ruby also, or reluctantly red. Anything like which suits you. Now I'll apply this MAC Fix Plus. You can use this as a primer or as a setting spray. I mostly use this as a setting spray because after applying all this cream product, powder product, it helps to melt all this product down, and it keeps my skin hydrated. After using this setting spray, if you want, you can apply a little more highlighter, but I loved this look, so I'm not using any more highlighter. And I'll finish up this look with a bindi. Yeah. So this is the finished look. You can open up your hair or you can make a knot like this, whichever is comfortable, but I am more comfortable with opening up my hair. I really hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial. Please hit the like button if you enjoyed watching this video. And also don't forget to subscribe my channel. Take care and Happy New Year, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.